Hey there, folks. Today we're talking about a cold hands, warm heart tea blend recipe for circulation issues. This tea is not only warming and soothing, but also supports your heart and improves circulation. This recipe makes 15 servings. What you'll need is a 1/4 cup of fresh hawthorn berries, leaves, and twigs, a 1/4 cup of fresh ginkgo leaves, a 1/4 cup of fresh chamomile flowers, 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme leaves, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh ginger. Optionally, you can use some raw honey for sweetness and/or some lemon for serving. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Mix the ingredients. Combine the hawthorn, ginkgo, chamomile, thyme, and ginger in a large bowl. Step 2. Store the blend. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container. Label and date it. Step 3. Brew the tea. To prepare, place 1 rounded teaspoon of the blend in a tea infuser. Put the infuser in a 10-ounce mug and pour boiling water over it. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Step 4. Finish and enjoy. Remove the infuser and compost the used herbs. Add honey or lemon if desired. Sip the tea while it's warm, up to 3 times a day. Step 5. Storage tips. Keep the tea blend in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. It will stay fresh for up to 1 year. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.